this strategy can make you a lot of money. Have you ever heard of investing in special situations like demergers? But why is this strategy so successful and can make us a lot of money? So, answer to that question is demerged stocks are often given to the shareholders of the parent company. Now, those shareholders might not be interested in owning them and sell them off without giving any regard to their fundamental value. Even the institutional investors might sell them off because the demerged company might be too small for them to cover. So this creates an excess supply, resulting in depressed price of the stock. Also, demergers do well because managers do everything to increase the shareholders' wealth. At least that's what they should ideally do. But in real life, that does not happen always, because at times you will notice that managers don't want to lose their influence, don't want to lose their control, and goes on a string of acquisition when actually they should give the extra excess money to the shareholders, and they are just concentrating on building an empire. But in demergers, that's rarely the case, because if you think about it, the managers are actually losing their control, their influence. They are not building an empire, they're actually destroying one. So that is done only with the hope that this increases the shareholders' wealth. The third thing why demergers do well is pent up entrepreneurship forces are unleashed, because that when a company is free from a large corporate parent, the nat- the more accountability, responsibility, and direct incentives to the management take their natural course. ESOPs, or the stock compositions or the incentives issued by both the companies, whether by the parent or by the uh, spin-off company, directly benefits the management, which benefits both the spin-off and the parent company stocks. So these are the reasons why generally demergers do well. Now, how to play demergers is something we will discuss in our next reel. But if you know how to do it, comment your answers in the comment section. Thank you for watching this one. Do follow for the next one.